How's it going, everyone? So in this video I'm gonna show you the 3 books that I read before starting my YouTube channel, just because how good they are when it comes to explaining you how YouTube works, how life works, and how business works. So the first book that I always recommend, the Sean Cannell and Benji Travels YouTube Secrets, is the #1 book when it comes to YouTube. This book is just all around how you should approach to YouTube, just how to pick your niche, how to stand out in a crowded niche. It just tells you everything that you need to know to start out. That's why it was the first book that I read before starting my YouTube channel, so that's why I always recommend it. The second book that I read before starting my YouTube channel was The High Five Habit by Mel Robbins. I don't know if you guys have heard anything about her, but she slaps you in the face when it comes to life. This book is not only for YouTube, to be honest. It's just to how you should approach life, how you should approach your business, and how be a little bit kinder to yourself. This book actually enlightened me in how I should start treating myself and how I should treat others, and just accept your flaws, accept your errors in the past. Don't let those errors or actions define you. Now the last book that I read was by Peter Bogd.
Peter Voogd.
We were on the verge of greatness. We were this close.
I think it's that how you say it. Sorry if it's not. 7 Rules to 7 Figures. This book is just basically the rules that you should have to become an entrepreneur. It is really good when it comes, if you have a business, this will be really good just to see what you're doing wrong or what you should be doing just to improve your business in general. I think those 3 books are gonna help you out when it comes to your YouTube channel. They're super cheap, guys, and the knowledge that they provide is so worth it. Those are my 3 books recommendation. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I hope you guys follow my advice. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I see you in the next one.